Alright, let's continue with our piece here. Let me get positioned right for you here. Alright, we're just kind of... Alright, that should be about where we want it, somewhere around in there. That looks pretty even. Alright. What I want to do is take my ruler and come down 1 inch, okay? Come down 1 inch. Right there. And over here, come down about 1 inch right there. So we're going to kind of draw a line here across here, and that is where our hat's going to be. Now what I want to do is I just want to angle it just a little bit like this. In other words, just angle on each side just a tiny bit, just so it won't be just a hat, okay? So we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut up, we're going to cut in, and we're going to cut down, and we're going to take some wood off right there. Okay? Not a whole lot. Just kind of give it a look. All right. Okay. Now, let's come up here. Let's just come up to the top up here and kind of, from this point, come up and kind of go over a little bit with our thing, and then we're going to come down here with our little tassel, as we might say, and move in over in this area, okay? This is kind of where his and we're going to cut that. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to come up just a little bit in here and come all the way down here, and with our little tassel that the little Santa has right in there, and remove the wood in here. Okay, see that? Okay. And remove a little wood in there. Kind of clean that up just a little bit. See how that goes? Okay. Now, we've got that. I'm going to kind of just move this in just a little bit, just kind of cut a little bit of that in there just to kind of give it kind of the round look here. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit to kind of give it that look. Okay. Now, let me see here. Let me get my ruler here. And let's see. Okay. I dropped it. I'm sorry. Let's come down from the top about 2 3/4. That's 3. That's 2. And No, let's not. Let's just a second. Let me look at this a little bit better. His nose is going to be somewhere right into this area, which if we put it down here, we're looking at about 2 inches down, something like that. 2 inches down, okay, where his nose is going to be. Okay. And we take this and we cut out where the nose is going to be. Okay? See that? That's where the nose is going to be. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and come up and just make a cut in here, basically where the eyes are going to come. Just like in there. Just like that. Okay? So let's go ahead and move our wood in here. And remove our wood in here. And kind of bring the nose just sort of like that. Just like that. Okay? All right. Now, I'm going to cut up on that nose just a little bit, but we'll come back and work with that just for a little minute, okay? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and I'm just going to kind of come down here and then sort of come up here with the face. Same thing over here, just kind of come down here and then come back up in here with our face a little bit, okay? Because that's where our face is going to be. Just like that. Okay?